This is Chef here from ICI Studios, bringing you a tutorial on how to deinterlace your clips with the MSU way. Um, Basically, whatever you download from either their site or you might find it somewhere else, you're gonna need the AVI synth script or whatever it's called, um, and you're either gonna get 2.0 or 2.5. And then the MSU Fieldshifter that you get will either be applied to 2.0 or 2.5. So make sure you get the right one working with the correct ones. I'm going to open these three up to show you them real fast. Um, but I'll show you those in a second. Basically, what you want to do, depending on where you capture to, let's say we'll create a new folder, capture here. So you put your Fieldshifter plugin there, the synth script that you're going to use, which I'll show you what it has in it in a second. And then let's say this clip I just captured, which I did about 30 minutes ago. So let's go ahead and use this one. So what you want to do is you want to put all your clips that you capture here. So if you capture like a gameplay or something like that, put it here. Now you take the AVI synth script. I already saved it as one, but it's basically all of this here. Um, and what you're going to do is you're going to take your video name. Mine would be clip for MSU. So you just type clip for MSU. Alright. You go to File, Save As. Let this pull up. Save it to the same folder that this is in, so the capture here folder. So right there. And let's type in script for MSU. And then you do .avs, which makes it that AVI synth script. Just save it. So now it's all done. Let's see there. Oh, I'm retarded. Sorry about that. So now that part's done. Now the next part you're going to want to do is open up Virtual Dub. Um, Go to File, Open Video File. Then you open up from wherever you saved it to, right here, the script for MSU. Pulls it up. Obviously it's a green screen, but that's because I captured. Now you can see all your footage is completely deinterlaced, and some people might have motion blur problems. It also fixes that as well. Now if you want to render this, um, so let's say this is a whole gameplay and you want to render a clip. Let's say I'll just render like this quad shot right here or something like that. So you want to do you just run this as if it was a normal AVI. So you want to start your clip here. You click the button there. Say you get a quad shot here, and you want to stop it here. So go like that. You get your little thing there. Go to File, Save as AVI, and then just save it like normal. Then you can import that into Vegas and render it like normal. Um, I'll show you real quick what they look like um, without anything added, with Smart Deinterlace added, which I believe most people use who use Virtual Dub and things like that. And then I'll show you the MSU compression way. This way here, you can see it has motion blur right here. You can see the terrible interlacing that it has. And this is nothing's added to it. And then whenever you add Smart, the deinterlace filter, you can see it gets rid of all the deinterlacing. There's none here, none there, but there's still that motion blur right here. Still that motion blur. The good thing about MSU is it's pretty easy to use. It gets rid of that motion blur and it gets rid of the interlacing. So it kind of does both for you. Some people have a terrible problem with interlacing like I do, and some people have a terrible problem with um, motion blur. I don't have a bad problem, but you could just see it pretty well in that frame. Um, but as you can tell, MSU is really good because it fixes them both. Pretty simple to use. If you guys have any questions on how to do it, let me know. Contact me on AIM or HRF or something like that. Um, Once again, this is Shaf from ICI Studios. Peace.